Welcome to episode 6 of the 100 Days of Code video series. Today I'm going to tackle a Treehouse code adventure. If you're unfamiliar with Treehouse code adventures, these are projects that are ready for you to build. We handle the project files, the detailed readmes, which hold the color palettes and useful information for you to succeed. All you have to do is code it out. It's a great way to practice your skills. We just uploaded a few new code adventures to the site, and I really want to tackle the message pins component. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build out the majority of the front end for this project, and I'm actually going to leave the logic for you. So if you want to contribute to this project, make sure to fork it down, add in your changes, and submit a PR. If you're unsure how to contribute or submit PRs, check down below in the description for a link to a video that goes over PRs for beginners. It's perfect for this. But as always, I'm going to speed through me building this, and if you want to watch exactly how I code it, just feel free to slow me down. But let's get into it. Okay, so I've gotten the bulk of the work done. The UI is pretty much complete. Each of our messages has an options button with a drop down for us to choose to pin our message. So based off the code that I've already written, adding in this feature should be a piece of cake. I hope to see some awesome PRs out there. Have fun and happy coding.